Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to perform legit check on EcoFlow River 2 Pro. So on the different side, on the back side of your EcoFlow River 2 Pro, you have serial number sticker, and you should have it. Of course, this is one way to check, to perform the legit check of your device. So here you have serial number, and you should connect your device to the mobile application. So connect it, connect it. You will see here your device. Then click on the settings button, right up corner of the screen, scroll down, find here in specifications, and this code must be the same as here, and it means that your device is completely legit. Of course, if you connected your device to the mobile application, it means that it works good. And it's very important to have this sticker, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.